Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Today's topic is heat. What we are going to learn is laboratory thermometer, precautions to be observed while using a laboratory thermometer, use of kink, digital thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of any object. It measures the temperature that are higher than the average human body temperature. How to use this laboratory thermometer? Take some tap water in a beaker or a mug. Dip the thermometer in water so that the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom or the sides of the container. Hold the thermometer vertically. Observe the movement of mercury in the thermometer. Wait till the mercury thread becomes steady. Then we can note the reading. This is the temperature of water at that time. The range of laboratory thermometer is generally from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Precautions to be observed while using a laboratory thermometer. It should be kept upright and not tilted. Bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Bulb should be surrounded by the substance from all the sides. Can we use a laboratory thermometer to measure the body temperature? No. Laboratory thermometer does not have kink. So, mercury falls on its own. So, it is not convenient to measure the body temperature. In clinical thermometer, kink is present near the bulb to prevent mercury level falling on its own. In this picture shown, the first thermometer is laboratory thermometer, the second one is clinical thermometer. We can clearly see in laboratory thermometer there is no kink, but in clinical thermometer it has kink. So, what is the use of kink? It prevents the mercury level from falling. So, laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of a human body. Digital thermometer. Digital thermometer don't use mercury. Do you know why mercury is not used in digital thermometers? Because mercury is a toxic chemical. If it is released, it could contaminate the body as well as surrounding areas. So it is unsafe. So in almost all the thermometers, the mercury is replaced with a spirit, that is non-toxic alcohol. Like liquid mercury, the alcohol expands in volume as it gets warmer, causing the liquid to move up the thin tube inside the glass thermometer. Digital thermometers are easier to read the temperature since temperature is displayed as a number. It does not require as many precautions as a clinical thermometer. Answer the following. What is the range of a laboratory thermometer? Write the difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer. What are the precautions to be observed while using a laboratory thermometer? Why mercury is not used in digital thermometers? What is the use of kink? Refer chapter 4 Heat, page number 40 in NCERT book grade 7 Science.